The automation and precision of wood engraving machines and CNC routers allow the creation of many valuable woodworks with intricate and beautiful details. Today, sit down and relax with us about the wonderful moments that these machines bring. Broywood achieved outstanding precision in its mosaic work with a masterpiece containing 1,743 details. Every detail contributes to creating a complex and captivating overall model. The choice of wood materials, including walnut, white oak, and maple, adds depth and richness to the design. The combination of different types of wood allows for variations in color and grain, enhancing visual appeal. The intricate patterns and meticulous execution make it a work of art that captivates the viewer. It's a great example of how fine wood and intricate CNC work can create exquisite mosaic art. The Felder MVP 31.14 membrane press is a versatile vacuum press designed for a wide range of woodworking tasks. From veneering to laminating and edge gluing, it meets the demands of trade, commerce, and industry. This press utilizes vacuum pressure under a rubber membrane, ensuring precise adaptation to workpieces for effective gluing. With features like a swiveling work table and rolling carriage, it's suitable for both large and small workshops. Scroll sawing and carving a panel is a meticulous woodworking process that demands precision. This technique allows for fine detail work, including curves, angles, and ornate patterns. Creating wooden candlesticks is a woodworking task that requires precision and attention to detail. The process involves fixing a wooden blank and rotating it while using shaping tools. Skilled carpenters can create intricate details from simple to ornate, resulting in beautiful and highly valuable products. A woodworking line consists of a series of interconnected machines designed to turn raw wood into various products. These lines include sawmills, planers, sanders, and other equipment for shaping and refining wood. Even though they have a long lifespan, they still bring incredible performance to humans. CNC wood lathes are now the preferred choice in modern wood processing facilities. These lathes offer versatility, allowing for the creation of intricate designs on wooden workpieces. They are popular among woodworkers for their ability to automate and streamline line woodworking tasks. A veneer production line typically begins with a log selection for high-quality wood veneer. The logs undergo debarking to remove the outer bark layer, preparing them for further processing. Veneer peeling machines skillfully create thin, uniform sheets from the debarked logs, optimizing wood usage. Veneer sheets then move to the veneer dryer machine, where controlled heat and airflow ensure proper drying. The HNC3 825 is a versatile CNC portal milling machine suitable for hobbyists, small businesses, schools, and more. With a compact yet robust design, it offers limitless machining possibilities on a small surface of 825 x 479 mm. Its Austrian engineering and high-quality materials ensure stability, while a powerful molder spindle provides efficiency. The HNC3 825 guarantees precision, repeatability, and flexibility, making it an affordable choice for CNC enthusiasts. Crafting table legs involves the meticulous art of shaping and carving wood to achieve desired designs. Skilled woodworkers use traditional hand tools like chisels and gouges to achieve precise details in the wood. Introducing to you this specialized firewood processing equipment designed for semi-automatic hardwood processing. It processes wood with diameters from 100 to 700 mm and lengths up to 21 meters. This equipment consists of 5 main parts, including wood loading, cutting, horizontal and vertical sawing, and cleaning. Thanks to that, wood is automatically measured, divided in divider wood, bringing high efficiency in the firewood processing process. At Wood Lathe, the plywood production process commences by gluing layers of wood veneer for strength and stability. These veneer layers undergo a meticulous pressing phase to ensure a tight bond and structural integrity. Following pressing, precise cuts are made to achieve the required panel lengths. Lastly, splicing sanding processes enhance surface quality and edge precision, resulting in top-quality plywood products. The Schnitzer 2-axis CNC woodworker's lathe enables precise woodwork designs with its computer-controlled accuracy. With a maximum workpiece length of 1000 mm and a short axis speed of 15 min, it's a highly versatile machine. Ideal for professional woodworkers, it simplifies complex woodworking tasks and ensures high-quality results. In its class, the Hacky-Pilker Falcon 35 has the fastest separation speed on the market to date, and a one-hand joystick makes the machine easy to use. Thanks to its efficient hydraulic saw and 3-second splitting cycle, it has become a trusted device in the woodworking industry. It's amazing to see how it can work so automatically and efficiently. With a clamp opening of up to 135 centimeters, The Woodcracker W1350 wood splitter can easily split large logs into smaller pieces. It is truly a reliable and powerful partner for every woodworking business. It is impressive that the minimum productivity observed for the log cut MCS40 is an average of 7 wires 25 cubic meters per hour. The machine's capacity allows achieving the highest output per hour. The Spolfix K650 firewood processor allows the use of large logs up to 65 centimeters in diameter to produce smooth blanks with variable adjustable edge lengths. It is certainly one of the most technologically advanced I have ever seen in the woodworking industry. You are viewing a modern firewood processing line. The automation and versatility of firewood processors is a real breakthrough in the woodworking industry. The way the Japa 405 firewood processor splits and cleans perfectly and the operating head swallows tons of logs in an hour was eye-opening for me. This machine can chew, split, and spit firewood, bundle firewood, and start a fire all in one motion. You are viewing a 4-blade chopper with 15 HP capacity in action. Trees up to 9 cm in diameter are a fairly large cutting size for a shredder with a capacity of 15 HP. This shows that this machine has quite impressive wood processing capabilities. With a capacity of 115 horsepower, the Eastern-made 48C wood splitter can handle wood up to 48 centimeters in diameter. The machine's ability to operate continuously and stably is a great source of encouragement for firewood production businesses. Nava S23 is the only machine in the world that can split firewood directly for packaging from standing trees. This is a major step forward in optimizing energy production and minimizing negative impact on the environment.